How to crop a square image to circle image in Canva. So first you want to go to Canva and sign in, and then you want to upload your image. So for example, I'm going to use an existing image, which is this one right here. Then from the left side, you want to click on elements and then scroll down and click on frames. And then under basic shapes, you want to choose the circle frame, drag it and drop it into your image. Now you should have your image and the circle frame. Simply click on your image with the left mouse, hold down and drag it to the circle and drop it here. And this should basically convert it to a circle or crop it into a circle shape. And then you can zoom the edges and adjust the scale. And you can also position it to snap in the center like this. And now you should be able to download your image as a cropped circular image by going to File and then click on Download. And this should basically download your image and ask you for the size that you want to download the image. And this will potentially require premium to be able to adjust these. And once you hit download, you should get the image to your computer. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.